our very dynamic and of course workaholic municipal mayor, Honorable Ramses Roy Rambo D. Olegario. Together with our legislative bodies headed by our presiding officer, our Vice Mayor, Honorable Anamel C. Olegario. What about a big round of applause for our SB members and the Council of Ipil Municipality. And we have here the Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Glenn Ayan Y. Sabihon, Honorable Sharif Mazin A. Hasim, SB member Dayan L. Catalunya, SB member Honorable Iric M. Alibutdan, SB member Honorable Janelle Bordner Andalahaw, Honorable Elias S. Dangpalan, SB member Honorable Joel D. Ebol, SB member Honorable Alberto A. Alcoriza Jr. And it is also my privilege and honor to welcome as well our ex-official members. We have Honorable Roy Andy C. Olegario, the Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Triximil T. Palalon, Ipil Sangguniang Kabataan Federation President, Honorable Al-Hapid E. Muhammad, our Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative, or IPMR of Ipil, and as well, our Secretary to Sangguniang Bayan, Ma'am Estelita Lalay S. Eguia. We also extend our highest respect and warmest welcome to the Honorable Presiding Officer and Municipal Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Naga. Of course, headed by their Municipal Mayor, Honorable Louis T. Valladares, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Eugene C. Hambaro. Hatagan po natong masigabong palakpakan, of course, agato ang mga local officials of Naga. Honorable Attorney Nestor C. Alagon, SB member, Honorable Gladeline A. Basio, Honorable Monib A. Abubakar, Honorable Raul T. Ordeniza, Honorable Cecil A. Pianyar, Honorable Doc Lilian D. Sale, Honorable Ralph C. Ferrer, Honorable Carmelo T. Luzon Jr., Honorable Serafin R. Mexico, our senior, our ex-official ABC, Honorable Alan S. Ambalit, ex-official of the IPMR, Honorable Jim Louis C. Alagon, our SK Federation President of Naga Municipality. And as well, I would like to acknowledge as well that the local, or shall I say local government unit of RTLM, our officials headed by, once again, and the municipal mayor of RTLM. So we would like as well to welcome and acknowledge, we're supposed to have the presence of our municipal mayor, Honorable Michael A. Pudena, our vice mayor, Honorable Reina Grace Pudena Vista, our Sangguniang Bayan members. What about a big round of applause once again for the municipality of RTLM officials, Honorable Ivan N. Balano, SB member, Honorable Arlie T. Calexterio, Honorable Alain P. Subibi, Honorable Jimuel B. Brito, Honorable Genesis Rev. S. Panes, Honorable Rashida Loong Ladja Basal, Honorable Joselito L. Velos, and Honorable Kent B. Aninion. We also warmly welcome the respective municipal planning and development coordinators, our municipal agriculture officers, municipal environment and natural resources officers, members of the technical working teams, concerned government personnel, and all other partners who are present today. Your presence shows that when local government work together, important concerns can be addressed with greater understanding, coordination, and unity. Today's gathering is more than just a joint session because it is a reflection of the intermunicipal cooperation, three municipalities coming together, sharing their perspectives, and working toward a common understanding concerning their coastal boundaries and municipal waters. Through proper coordination and careful documentation, we hope to arrive at agreements that will help provide clear boundaries, better management of our coastal resources, and stronger local governance. As we begin this important activity, may we all uphold respect, cooperation, transparency, and unity throughout the discussions. And now, with everyone here ready to participate in this significant joint undertaking, May I invite everyone to settle down and prepare for the formal opening of our session. Once again, good afternoon and welcome to this joint session of the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil, Naga, and Rossiller Lim in Zamboanga, Sibugay. May today's discussions be productive, meaningful, and beneficial to our municipalities and most importantly, to the people we all serve. Welcome everyone and let us begin.
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to the joint session of the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil, Naga, and Rossiller. And it's called to order. Please rise for the pambansang awit. Invocation. Can we ask Pastor? Pastor James.
Shall we come to God in prayer? Our Almighty God and Heavenly Father, the Creator of all things, we acknowledge, O Lord, your greatness and your sovereignty in our midst. You are the God of the whole world, the God of the nations, the God who established our country, the Philippines, our Zamboanga Sibugay province, and our municipalities. We humbly come before you and we invoke your holy presence to be in our midst, to guide us as we do these joint sessions among the three LGUs, the municipality of Ipil, the municipality of Naga, and the municipality of Artilim, with their honorable legislators, O God. This afternoon, O Lord, we are going to unite our hearts and commit ourselves to the continuous progress of our respective municipalities. Thank you for bringing us together in this place and the presence of everyone. We therefore entrust to you the whole duration of this joint session. May your power and wisdom and guidance be with us all towards success and fulfillment of our heart's desire for your glory and honor. This all we entrust and pray in the mighty name of our God, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit kong pagaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang ay di magtitindig. Luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay ang langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya na pagkay mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Philippine Councilor's Creed. I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that redound to the general welfare of my constituents. In their pursuit for happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts. And as I head the pathways of local legislation, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart, and I shall be true to my constituents and the Filipino people.
Okay, good afternoon. Can we ask the Secretary of EPIL, Sangguniang Bayan, for the roll call? Madam Secretary?
Okay, good afternoon to each and everyone. Madam Chair, on the part of the local Sangguniang of EPIL, I would like to request all the members of the council to please do acknowledge for record purposes. We have the Honorable Vice Mayor Anamel Oligario,
Present.
Honorable Glenn Ayan Sabihon, Honorable Sharif Mazin Hasim, Honorable Dayan Catalunya, Honorable Arik Alibutdan, Honorable Janelle Bordner, Honorable Elias Dangpalan, Honorable Joel Embol, Honorable Alberto Lacurisa Jr.,
Present.
Honorable Triximil Palalon, we have Honorable Roy Andy Oligario, and Honorable Alhapid Muhammad. On record, there are 8 present, Madam Chair, out of 12, and we are in quorum.
So the EPIL Sangguniang Bayan is in quorum. Can we ask the Vice Mayor of Artilim?
May I request our Secretary to the Sangguniang of Artilim to please do the roll call.
On the part of the Municipality of Rosilia-Rim, present is the Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Reina Grace Piodena Vista, Honorable Ivan Noveno Balano, Honorable Alain Piodena Subibi, Honorable Arlie Tayo Calixterio, Honorable Kent Bacalso Aninion, Honorable Jimwell de la Vega Brito, Honorable Genesis Genry Reb Sehob Panes, Honorable Rashida Loong Ladjabasal, Honorable Joselito Lunsaga Velos. There are 8 Sangguniang Bayan, including Vice 9 all.
So the Sangguniang Bayan of Naga is in quorum. Oh, Artilim, sorry. Can I ask the OIC of Naga
Yes. Thank you, Madam
to
Chair.
acknowledge the...
Good afternoon, everyone. May I request the Secretary of Naga to conduct the roll call of the members of the Sangguniang Bayan for this joint session.
For the Municipality of Naga, please acknowledge if you're present. At Honorable Attorney Nestor C. Alagon, Honorable Gladeline A. Basho, Honorable Monib A. Abubakar, Honorable Raul T. Ordeniza, Honorable Cecile A. Pianyar, Honorable Dr. Lilian D. Sale, Honorable Carmelo T. Luzon Jr., Honorable Ralph C. Ferrer, Honorable Serafin R. Mexico Jr., Honorable Alan S. Ambalit, Honorable Jim Louis C. Alagon. We have 9 present and 2 absent. We are in quorum.
So the Sangguniang Bayan of Naga is in quorum. So, Madam Secretary? Oh, Mr. Floor Leader.
Yes,
What's
thank
next?
you, Madam Chair. Hearing upon the declaration of a quorum to both the 3 local government units of Zamboanga Sibugay, namely EPIL, Naga, and Artilim, Madam Chair, I therefore move for the adoption of the order of business for today's joint session, Madam
Any
Chair.
second? It's being seconded. Reference of business.
Okay, for the reference of business, we have the adoption and approval of the coastal terminal points and boundaries of the 3 municipalities Under it, we have letter A, authority of the three mayors to sign the map and all pertinent documents for submission to NAMRIA. Item B, directing the MPDC, MAU, and MENRO of the three municipalities to coordinate with NAMRIA and other concerned agencies for the finalization and submission of all documentary requirements and the other matters.
Madam Chair.
Before we give the floor to Honorable, can I do a rationale of this joint session, Madam Chair, before
Okay.
we
Before we suspend the rules.
suspend the
Okay.
rules? Okay. I'd like to read to you the rationale of this joint session and the purpose of this joint session among the three local government units of Zamboanga Sibugay, namely Naga, Artilim, and Ipil. The joint session of the three municipalities, Madam Chair, of course, we believe that this will mark a very significant achievement for the three LGUs as we are about to formally seal the agreement that the three local government units have formally forged through different ordinances and of different occasions in the past, delineating our boundary lines of our respective municipal waters or municipal boundaries between the municipality of Ipil, Naga, and Ipil and Artilim. Madam Chair, I'd like to bring you back in the year 2009 when we approved the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil and the Sangguniang Bayan of Naga, in fact, including the Sangguniang Bayan of Payao, through this ordinance number 02-255-2009, an ordinance declaring and establishing a common point of reference and the delineation of the boundary lines of the respective municipal waters of Ipil, Naga, and Payao, province of Zamboanga Sibugay as determined by National Mapping and Resources Information Authority or NAMRIA, and in accordance to RA 8550, otherwise known as the Philippine Fisheries Code of 1998. Madam Chair, this was actually held in Naga, Zamboanga Sibugay, to be particular on the 18th of February in 2009. In fact, Madam Chair, as I look at the members of the Sangguniang Bayan of the municipality of Ipil at that time, there is one member here now in the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil, a survivor of this Sangguniang Bayan in 2009 in the person of Honorable Joel Ebol. And I'd like to also read two ordinances, Madam Chair, that we approved in 2018. And I'm happy to announce that this representation has become part of these two ordinances, approval of these two ordinances. Ordinance number 09-01-2018, an ordinance establishing and confirming the common coastal terminal and coastal points between the municipality of Ipil and municipality of Roselier, Tilim, Zamboanga, Sibugay, with the following technical descriptions, geographical coordinates, coastal terminal point, also reflected municipal boundary, monument number 12, so on and so forth. Di lang ako basahon ang tanang mga boundaries. And ordinance number 09-02-2018 of that same day, an ordinance establishing municipal boundary monument number 12 with technical coordinates longitude 122 degrees, 30 minutes, and 53 seconds east, and latitude 7 degrees, 41 minutes, and 43 seconds north, longitude 122 degrees, 30 minutes, and 48 seconds east, latitude 7 degrees, 41 minutes, 48 seconds north, Luzon 1911, as political boundary of the municipality of Ipil and Artilim, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Madam Chair, we all forged these joint ordinances in 2009 and in 2018 with Naga and with Artilim. During, I'd like to also remind this august body that during the interagency quarterly audit that was done in the Capitol a few months ago, I hope that you can still remember, we were invited, some of us were at the Capitol. The regional office of the DENR, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, and even a representative from NAMRIA together with our Provincial Governor Anhofer, highlighted the audit findings that IPIL lacks to complete the NAMRIA requirements of its municipal water boundaries. Of course, with our neighbors, Artilim and Naga. And of course, this might be true to also to Artilim and Naga, in your neighbors also. Pero ang inyong neighbors sa Artilim, Zamboanga City naman. Neighbor sa Naga, Kabasalan. Okay. Tungawan, sorry. Artilim and Tungawan. What we need to accomplish at this time is to adapt, again, this was read by the Secretary already, adapt and approve our coastal terminal points and boundaries of Artilim, Naga, and Ipil and Naga. Under this adoption and approval, Madam Chair, we will also give authority to the 3 chief executives to sign the map and all the pertinent documents. Also, we will be directing our MPDCs, MAUs, and MINROS to immediately coordinate with NAMRIA and other concerned agencies for the finalization and submission of all documentary requirements, Madam Chair. So that's the reason why we are calling this joint session with Naga and Artilim, Madam Chair. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you so much, Honorable Alcoriza.
Honorable Chair,
Yes.
before we proceed our next agenda, may I clarification the address of my municipality is not Roselier Lim, is not Roselier T. Lim, for the record for purposes only.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Well
you.
noted, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable. Okay.
By the way, Madam Chair, I'd like to remind that we are on live streaming at this point in time. We are live on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.
Oh, smile mo. Smile, dapat nakasmile mo, ha? Kaya this is live. So, yeah. Every session na mo, Cons, is live. So, okay. Any suspension for the rules?
Madam Chair, may I be recognized?
Honorable Ebon.
Thank you very much. Madam Chairman, good afternoon to each and everyone. The Honorable Floor Leader, Jong Alcoriza. Mr. Chairman, Madam Chair, hearing that all the made mention history of the joint session between the 3 municipalities, Madam Chair, namely Ipil, Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil, Sangguniang Bayan of Naga and Artilim, we firmly believe that there were already a series of discussions with respect to this problem, and we came up with the common understanding now that finally we have to establish territorial boundaries. So with this, Madam Chair, I move for an ordinance approving and adopting the coastal terminal points and boundaries of these 3 municipalities, namely Ipil, Naga, and Roselier Lim, for submission to the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority, or NAMRIA.
Okay, in a second. It's being seconded. Discussion? Objection, Honorable Catalonia.
Madam Chair, good afternoon to this honorable body. For the perusal of all, may we request our MENRO or our I think ako nga itong MENRO siguro ang record note. Can we put it in the screen as to the boundaries that we are talking about, also for reference from other municipalities?
Okay, any more discussion? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby approved. Can we ask the Menro of Ipil?
Madam Chair, before we accommodate our Menro, I move to suspend the rules to accommodate him properly, Madam Chair.
In a second for the suspension. It's being seconded.
May hapon ka natong tanan. I'm
Good
the
afternoon.
Municipal Environment and Natural Resource Officer since 2000. nine foot, yes. So I was part of the technical working group working on this. So for the presiding officer, good afternoon, ma'am. To other presiding officer also from the two municipalities, good afternoon, and to the representatives of the Sangguniang Bayan who are present here. So allow me to briefly ako lang ipakita ang history ani nga to ang kalihukan karon. So the historical development of the municipal boundaries and NAMRIA preliminary technical description of Ipil, Naga, Payao, and Artilim for verification and concurrence. Arlim, sorry. So again, let me bring you back in 2007. NAMRIA established the coastal terminal points that serve as a technical reference for the boundaries of Ipil, Naga, Payao, and Artilim. In 2009, a technical concern was identified regarding the previously established coastal terminal points between Ipil and Naga. So, as the location appeared to naturally fall within the territory of Ipil. The matter was addressed through a joint Sangguniang Bayan action of Ipil and Naga as mentioned by Sir Alcoriza, resulting to an agreed modification of the coastal terminal point. I think the Menro of Naga was also present during that time, as I remember, and some technical staff also. For Artilim, for Ipil and Arcelier Lim, a boundary disagreement was addressed through a joint SB resolution in 2018, resulting in an agreed correction of the boundary points. I will also show the map of those points. Okay. So kana makita nato sa 2007 that refers to the map of Ipil and Naga. Kanang green, tulo ka green, those are terminal points 1, 2, and 3. It appears that those green points are located in Lugit, Barangay Pangi. So during the joint session, it was agreed that the terminal point number 1 between Ipil and Naga should be at the mouth of Bakalan River. So, muna nang nanay siya pula, kay muna na siya ang bukana gyud sa ato ang Bakalan River. So, muna na siya karon sa number 209, wala na siyang green, didiretso na siya sa number 1, 2, 4. So, wala na ng 2, 3, and 1. So 1 and 4 na din siya. And then i-connect na din siya dito sa 0.5. So muna na ang iyahang itsura karon. So that was reflected in the ordinance that was signed by both council. Okay. For Artilim, the contention area during that time is point 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And it appears that those points, particularly 15, 16, 17, and 18, were located in Sitio Manga, which is part of Buluan. So, na siya Municipal Ordinance 2018 after 16 years, I think, of wala siya na-resolve. Finally, na-resolve siya. And it was agreed that the terminal point for Ipil and Naga, and in Roselier Lim, will be the mouth of Gango River. Gango Creek. Gango Bridge, and then ni gawas yun siya dito sa asa ang bukanan niya. Dito ang iyahang murag terminal points na. It was jointly established by the technical personnel of the respective municipalities. So karon kanang mga mapa sa ubos muna na siya karon ang nahimong bag-ong coastal terminal points and coastal points of Artilim and Ipil. And particularly also, there was a concession that point 13 and 12, ihatag to siya sa Artilim para in response also to the request of Ipil nga katong dito sa Mangga, mabutang siya sa Agango. So, muna na karon ang mapa nato. So, that was the agreement point before. So, karon muna ni ang next, sir. For validation, since this is very timely because next month, NAMRIA will be coming to Zamboanga Sibugay as requested by the provincial government. And kini siya karon nga ma-agree nato, muna na atong i-submit dito sa NAMRIA for adoption na nila para mahimuan na, ma-reflect na sila sa mapa nato sa NAMRIA. Because as of now, wala pa yun na siya na reflect dito. Although nanay agreement between the municipalities, but these technical coordinates were not sent to officially to NAMRIA para ma-reflect po nila sa ilahang mapa. Nga ipa-approve po sa to. So I think those was the motto ang nahitabo sa 2009 and 2018.
So, katong NAMRIA, old NAMRIA. Katong old NAMRIA, so canceled na to siya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, kadiri na ta sa katonang giagrihan
Yes,
sa joint session
Yes, sir.
sa 2018.
Yes, sir.
So, kailangan man gud mi og shed light regarding sa joint session kay dili pa man mi official kato nga time. So, kinahanglan gyud may clarification kung unsa nga nung iyon ana ang nahitabo. So, kana lang na kay salamat.
Okay. Thank you.
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable Catalonia.
Sir Felix, for the technical description, is it there was no difference or change from the 2007 and 2018?
As far as
Maybe flash it on the screen for the reference of everybody as to the technical description of the boundaries.
sige. Please. Next.
May kayo to.
Siya-
Upsize
kana
na
siya,
lang.
kana siya. Katong
I think
technical,
there was,
technical.
yes, that one. On the left corner, pwede na
Katong ganina.
madako.
Kana siya. Kato siya, Sir Guy. Katong naay technical coordinates. Ayun, masubra. Mulukso man siya. Yes. Kana siya man. So, those are the original coordinates that was from NAMRIA, ang 0.4, 0.5, paingon siya sa 0.16, na mo-connect na po dito siya sa Artilim. I think some of the technical staffs also of the respective LGUs are familiar with this because we were the one working on this one.
This specific ordinance only tells us the boundaries between Ipil and Rosiliardim. Can you flash the one that katong nai point, sir? Actually, correct na tong ganina. There's one
Okay.
point, no, up to Dakuan.
Sige.
From beginning at 1 up to point 19.
19.
No?
So, kato na,
actually,
Guy,
nagkuan gito siya.
palihog ko atong final na to.
Tuyok gito siya up to Sanaga so that they
Yes.
can see, yeah, that one. But wala siya
Sige
nabutang
po.
nga coordinates.
Sige, i-reflect lang to siya. Gaya katong last na siya ikon. I think there's technical description. Ako technical problem. ma-plus tong last niya, no? Last na... Oh, kana na siya, ma'am. Muna na for
Kanang
approval.
left-hand corner.
Oo. Pwede na ito
Kamay lang.
mapadako?
So that would be the technical description that will be submitted to NAMRIA.
Yes, yes po. Yes po. So,
Any question? Any more question? Yes, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon to the August body. For clarification lang po, with regards to RTLIM, is the basis of the points there was the 2018 joint session? No alterations or whatsoever?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
So, we are also fortunate that we were being assisted by Rare Philippines and the provincial government of Zamboanga Sibugay for this one.
Okay, any more question?
Madam Chair.
Clarification?
Madam Chair.
Yes, Honorable
This is
Alcorista.
an additional explanation why we need to really establish this proper delineation of our municipal waters. This will help a lot to both three municipalities, especially if we try to regulate. For example, Ipil, we are poised to regulate the establishment of arong and fish cages. So, this is very important because without this proper delineation, we might be crossing the line, no, between our neighbors. So, but with proper delineation, we can already identify as to what area we allow or not allow the establishment of arong, fish cages. So, proper kaita. So, this will help not only Ipil, but RTLIM and Naga also.
Any more clarification? No, Honorable Ebon?
Madam Chair.
Yes.
Thank you. Hearing all of these things, Madam Chair, this representation further moves that to form part of these ordinances, we have at least to consider these two. Number one, Madam Chair, the giving of the authority of the three mayors, namely the mayor of the municipality of Ipil, municipality of Naga, and municipality of Rosellarlim, to sign the map and all pertinent documents for submission to the NAMRIA. This will be form part in the WRSS, Madam Chair. And the number two is directing the MPDC, the MAU, and the MINRO of the three municipalities, namely Ipil, Naga, and Rosellarlim, to coordinate with NAMRIA and other concerned agencies for the finalization and submission of all documentary requirements. So, Madam Chair.
Any second?
Second, Madam Chair.
It's been seconded. Any discussion? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby approved. Other matter?
Okay, Madam Chair. With the pleasure of this joint bodies, Madam Chair, I'd like to read the content of this proposed, if this will be approved, the ordinance number 08772-2026. The title of the ordinance is an ordinance approving and adopting the coastal terminal points and boundaries of the three municipalities for submission to the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority, or NAMRIA. Whereas Section 131 of RA 8550 as amended by RA 10654, otherwise known as the Fisheries Code, defines municipal waters to include not only streams, lakes, inland bodies of water, and tidal waters within the municipality, which are not included within the areas defined under RA 7586, but also marine, Waters included between the two lines drawn perpendicular to the general coastline from points where boundary lines of the municipality touch the sea at low tide and a line parallel with the coastline including offshore islands and 15 kilometers from such coastline. Whereas, pursuant to DILG, DNR, DA, NAMRIA Joint Memorandum Circular Number 2019-01, all LGUs are mandated to delineate and submit their municipal waters boundaries, including coastal terminal points, to NAMRIA for official mapping and certification. Whereas the municipalities of Ipil, Naga, and Artilim share contiguous in the province of Zamboanga Sibugay, and it is necessary to mutually agree and fix the common coastal terminal points to avoid overlapping jurisdictions and conflicts in the enforcement of fishery laws and ordinances. Whereas a joint session was conducted on August 10, so karon na ni nga date, 2026 at Badsbro Hotel, Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay, attended by the local chief executives and members of the Sanggunian of the three municipalities together with their technical personnel for the purpose of finalizing and adapting the coastal terminal points. Whereas, after a thorough discussion, validation, and technical review, the three LGUs have mutually agreed upon and adapted the coastal terminal points as indicated and described in the attached map or technical description, which forms an integral part of this joint resolution. That's the content of this ordinance number 08772-2026, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Alcoriza. Naamoy kopya tanan. Wala sila copy. Sa secretary.
Ipasa lang to sa secretary para nasa copy.
Ang whereas results.
Madam Chair, may I suggest to the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to consider now, because we already approved
The motion.
the two whereases that will be now included in this ordinance.
Okay, Madam Chair, if I may continue. Section 1 of this ordinance, it says, the coastal terminal points and boundaries of the municipal waters of the municipalities of Ipil, Naga, and Artlim, as described and delineated in the attached map and technical description marked as Annex A, are hereby approved and adopted. Section 2, the municipal mayors of Ipil, Naga, and Artilim are hereby authorized to sign the map and all pertinent documents and to submit the same to the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority, or NAMRIA, for evaluation, approval, and issuance of certification. Section 3, the municipal planning and development coordinators, municipal agriculturists, and MINROS of the three municipalities are directed to coordinate with NAMRIA and other concerned agencies for the finalization and submission of all documentary requirements. Section 4, this joint resolution ordinance shall take effect immediately upon approval. Approved unanimously, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Floor Leader. Since this ordinance was already unanimously approved, no more questions?
Madam Chair,
Yes, sir.
may I clarification? May I ask the MPDC of Artilim, De La Piña, and to our Mindro, based on the presentation of our delineation map, the previous joint session, okay na mo? Okay na? O, sige, para walang sisihan.
Correct.
Yes.
Agree ang tanan?
How
Okay.
about the Sangguniang Bayan of
Naga?
Naga? Before, you know. And
All
about
right.
Ipil?
Of course.
Of course. Okay, it's been unanimously approved.
All right.
Other matters?
Other matters?
Madam Chair,
Yes.
point of order. I think we are submitting ordinance. It has to go through 3 proceedings, the first, the second, and the third reading, and we haven't been to the second and the third reading yet. I believe we have done and approved the first reading, but second reading wala pa.
Yeah, it's being approved, the first reading.
Yes.
Now for the... Oh, no.
Kasi
Mr.
niambak
Floor
ka
Leader.
sa,
Yes,
niambak ka sa second item, Madam Chair, giving authority to the
Mayor.
LCEs. Yes.
Mr. Floor Leader.
Yeah, for us to be able to approve this at this very moment, I think we call for the Committee of the Whole based on the internal rules and regulations of the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil. So I would like to suggest that one member of the Sangguniang Bayan of Ipil should call for the Committee of the Whole. Yes, Honorable.
I would like
Honorable
to convene this body in Committee of the Whole.
It's been seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, motion is hereby approved.
Back to regular session, Madam Chair.
Back to order.
Considering that we have already approved on the second reading
Madam
when
Chair.
the Committee of the Whole was called upon.
Madam Chair.
First reading.
First reading pa ba to?
Yes.
Mr. Floor Leader.
Okay,
First
okay,
reading
okay.
pa to.
Sige, sige. Okay.
For the second reading, you have to go through reading the title of the ordinance for vote approval. For second reading.
Sige. I'd like to request Honorable Ayan again to pass the ordinance for second reading.
Regular session.
Yeah, we should go back to the Committee of the Whole, Madam Chair.
Chair, I'd like in this body, the whole, Madam.
It's been seconded. Discussion?
Madam Chair, for second reading, I move that an ordinance approving and adopting the coastal terminal points and boundaries of the three municipalities for submission to the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority. For second reading, Madam Chair, I so move.
It's been seconded. Any discussion?
We have
Discussion
already
from
discussed
Naga
a lot,
and
Madam
about
Chair.
Rosilier?
I move,
Objection?
Madam Chair,
Or having none,
to
motion is hereby approved.
I move, Madam Chair, to go back to
Third
The
reading na ta.
third and final reading.
Third and final reading.
You move for the third and final reading.
Third and
Ne.
final reading pa ta. Second reading.
We can do it on the...
Okay, okay. Sige. Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Finally, Madam Chair, I move to pass an ordinance approving for the third and final reading, approving and adopting the coastal terminal points and boundaries of the three municipalities, namely Ipil, Naga, and Artilim, for submission to the National Mapping and Resource Information Authority. I so move, Madam Chair.
For those who are in favor, say aye.
Aye.
So, wala mo sila.
Tanan, everybody.
Okay, we have
Sige,
the aye
again,
vote.
Madam Chair, again.
Okay, rewind. So for those who are in favor, say aye.
Aye.
We have the aye vote. Other matters?
You declare it, Madam Chair, first that it's already approved in the
Yeah.
third and final reading.
So the ordinance that we have discussed today is being approved from first, second, and third reading.
Thank you. Other matters,
Other
Madam Chair.
matters?
I move to be back to the regular session,
Yes.
Madam
I
Chair.
second, Madam Chair.
Okay, back to regular session. Other matters? Naga?
Wala naman siguro.
Here? Murag kaulio na gini sila pa. Wala na other matters na to?
Excuse me, Madam Chair.
Okay, let's acknowledge the Vice Mayor of Rosilier.
So thank you so much for the acknowledgement, Madam Chair. So in behalf of the Municipality of Artilim, our legislative office would like to thank the two municipalities who are here with us this afternoon for inviting us. We do believe the importance of this joint session. Actually, Madam Chair, we have discussed the things that our members already are like. There's a lot of questions was raised prior. So since we've already found the answers and then we already listened to the different opinions of the August body, so we fully support these ordinances. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Madam
thank
Chair.
you so much, Honorable Piolina. Okay, any more other matters? Naga?
Wala na?
Oh, Vice, the acting Vice Mayor? Vice? Wala na?
Wala naman siguro.
Yes, Honorable?
By the way, Madam Chair, before the adjournment, if we are ought to adjourn this joint session, I would like to remind the two municipalities, Artilim and Naga, that you can view our whole joint session in our website, www.sb.net, sbepil.net, www.sbepil.net. And you can watch us in our regular sessions also every Wednesday. Thank you.
Madam Chair, prior to adjournment, may we request for a recess for photo ops?
Okay, recess.
Recess for photo ops.
Photo ops.
Dili ta mag-recess tungod sa kaon.
Okay. Unsa man by municipality and then join na dine and tulo? Okay.
All right, may I kindly request our honored local officials, Sangguniang Bayan members, presiding officers, and distinguished guests from the municipalities of Ipil, Rosilor Lim, and Naga to please come forward and join with our Sangguniang Bayan members with the presiding officer of these two municipalities for the pictorial or for the so-called official group of photo. So let us once again gather, smile, and make this moment a lasting memory of unity, friendship, and meaningful collaboration among our local governments. And let us take a moment to acknowledge as well and sincerely thank our valued partners who made this activity possible. Our warmest appreciation goes to the provincial government of Zamboanga Sibugay through the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office, or PENRO, for the generous funding and support for this activity represented by Mr. Darwin Sansoko. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to Rare Philippines for providing valuable technical assistance, represented by Ms. Joy Semblante. And please know that your support, a partnership, and commitment truly make a difference. Thank you for being our partners in making this activity a success.
Okay. Gina-finalize na lang sa atong sekretary sa IPIL. Magpirmahanay na ta karon. So, please stay put muna. Take your snacks. We have overflowing coffee over there. You can take a lot of coffee if you want to. Dayon, kung gusto pa yung ganita, pwede man ta mag-swimming na may... may ara swimming pool, sir. Oh, hindi na. Oo. Ari kita di sa sulod subong. Pwede ta mapaligo sa swimming pool. Thank you, bitaw. So, signing karon, mag-picture taking gihapon ta during the signing. Thank you.
Other matters, Madam Chair? Yes, others.
Okay, by the way, on the ordinance, I would like to request, no, each page sa ordinance, pirmahan, with the 3 SB secretaries, 3 vice mayors, and 3 mayors, para makumpleto siya. Yes.
order. Back to order ta kay we are only up to 4 o'clock din sa venue. Ang katong pa na, ordinance na.
Madam Chair,
Yes.
other matters?
Can we request the SB members to settle down, please?
Madam Chair, other matters?
Okay, other matters, Honorable Ebol.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Just for information of other Sanggunian, Madam Chair, that for the municipality of EPL, this coming Wednesday session, this will be the second time around that we are inviting Samsuri Kutu to give us updates on what is now going on, no? Insofar as the operations of our Samsuri Kutu. So we would like also to encourage other Sanggunian to also do so that at least we could help explain to our people ugod sa mga nahitabo karon, no? Especially the massive increase in our electric bills. So daghan kayo ang ilang gi-implement karon with this new administration now. Daghan ang gi-impose nga wala na implementar sa previous nga management, no? Which according to the new management that it is provided, no, sa National Electrification Administration. So all of this list, accordingly, all of these impositions were provided facially. So, ang ato lang siguro, we will try to again muhimo og dugang pagpasabot sa atong mga katawhan on what is now happening with the Samsuri Kutu. That's my other matters, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Ebol. Noted. Yes. Any more other matters?
Madam Chair,
Honorable Tangpalan.
since there's no more other matters, I move to adjourn the joint session, Madam Chair.
I second, Madam Chair.
Session adjourned and being seconded by Honorable Tangpalan. Nagmadali ng binata. May date ka ata.
Ha?
May date ka?
Wala na.
Timing na lahat eh.
Adjourn naman ta. Murag signing na lang man siguro. Okay. Signing na lang. Kuan. Anyway, adjourn naman ta. Ako lang i-reiterate tong panawagan ni Consel Joel Ebol. Diri karon sa ipil na anay nagsugod og movement bahin aning sa Samsoreco. Naka-experience siguro mo, Artilim, pareho ta diri. Dagko na kami nagpasa mig resolution sa Sangguniang Bayan nga kuan sila ipa-audit sa national sa ERC, Energy Regulatory Commission. Dayon mas maayo gyud nga naamoy local kuan movement para mas mukusog. Sa ipil karon doon ay mga movement silang Susing Q ang nag-lead ani ron, silang actually ang former GM si Castro naa sa grupo, no? Kay nakita niya nga murag naagi problema ang atong Samsoreco karon. So I hope in Artilim and in Naga you will also do the same. Pakusgin ninyo ang kuan, i-pressure nato ang Samsoreco. I think maunay dapat buhaton nato. Kay we have been very lenient to Samsoreco for quite a long time. Nakapartial naka okay, sige. Lagi. Okay. Kami this coming Wednesday ipatawag na pud namo balik kay wa man na fulfill ang ilang gi-promise God. Katong pag-una nila adto nga ma-adjusted ang next billing. Ay nanagko namang gidinoon kayo. Na-adjust gud siya pero dagko kayo. Oo. Oo. Oo.
Pre, ang ako is normally 1413. Sa closing, nag-1 naman siya.
Lagi. Lagi. Kung dili na to manggod presyoron sila, murag way padulngan. Oo. So, I hope nga makakwanta mga gamayng pressure lang gud para at least makuan sila nga gabantay man yung mga tao sa Sibugay. Kuman nakapirma ba, Ins? Aw? Kuman naman din signing. Madam Secretary Lalay, human na ang signing? Aw, lagi. O na di.
Okay, what is lacking in this ordinance is the signature of the Mayor of Ipil and Mayor of Brasilia Lim.
Ah, okay.
So what's the pleasure?
Mayor sa Ipil o sa Artilim. 1, 2.